All right, Tuesday's math menu is also going to cover patterns, but again, before we can jump into the main course, we need to check our work on the appetizer. First thing you needed to do is list the first 10 multiples of 5. So we're skip counting by 5s. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Then in our pick a strategy and solve section today, we have subtraction. And this is a really good thing to notice. I want to keep in mind that if there's more on the floor, I've got to go next door. So I see here that 6 is larger than 3, so I can't actually subtract those. So I'm going to have to make this a 13 and regroup from my tens place, which makes that a 0. So 13 minus 6 is 7. And then here I have more on the floor. 1 is larger than 0. So again, I'm going to have to regroup. So 10 minus 1 is 9. And then I don't have anything to subtract here because 8 minus 8 is 0. Then for my multiplication, I'm going to again do the box method. I need 4 columns because I have a 4-digit number. This number goes here to the side, and then I'm going to break this out into expanded form. So I have 5,134. So 5 times 5 is 25, and I have 3 zeros. 5 times 1 is 5, and 2 zeros. 5 times 3 is 15. 1 0. 5 times 4 is 20. Then I'm going to make sure I line those up in their correct place value. So I want to always start at the ones column when lining numbers up, because if I start here, this 500 would be way out of place. Okay? So then I'll go through, line all those up, and I'm going to add. So I get 25,670. I'm going to flip to the main course. On the main course, again, you're going to identify the rule, which again, for numbers 1, 2, and 3, they've given you the rule. I'm going to follow that rule, and it's actually listed right here above each step. And then finally, number 4, Miss Hartman starts the week with 32 cents in her piggy bank. She adds a dime each day. How much money will Miss Hartman have by the end of 2 weeks? So if she starts with 32 cents, she adds 10 cents each day. Okay, remember this is money. And then 2 weeks, how many days are in 2 weeks? There's 7 days in 1 week, so 2 weeks would be 14 days. So I'm going to have to do this 14 times in order to get to the correct answer. Okay, or if you think about it, is there another strategy you could use to solve that? Okay, check your work on the appetizer, complete the main course portion, and then you may move on to MobyMax.